Unit 29.
Conversation.
How often do you go to the cinema?
I go to the cinema once a week.
How often do you eat in a restaurant?
I eat in a restaurant twice a month.
How often do you get meals?
I get meals 3 times a day.
How often do you talk on the telephone?
I talk on the telephone 4 or 5 times a day.
Do you use your car very much?
I use my car a lot.
What kind of car is it?
It's a station wagon.
When do you drive the children to school?
I usually drive them to school when it rains.
Where do you drive them in the afternoon?
I drive them to their music lessons in the afternoon.
What's Tom learning to play?
He's learning to play the guitar.
What's Carol learning to play?
She's learning to play the piano.
Where else do you drive them?
Sometimes I drive them to parties.
When do you drive your husband to the station?
When his car is in the garage.
When does he take the train?
When his car is in the garage.
What else do you use the car for?
I use it for doing errands.
How often do you drive into the city?
I drive into the city about once a month.
What are you doing?
I'm doing some errands.
Where are you going now?
I'm on my way to the chemist.
What are you going to get?
I'm going to get some shampoo.
Why are you going to get shampoo?
I want to wash my hair this evening.
Where are you going then?
Then I'm going to the bookshop.
Why are you going to the bookshop?
I'm going to get a birthday card for Helen Green.
When is her birthday?
Her birthday is next week.
Do you do many errands?
I do a lot of errands every week.
Dialogue.
Where are your other shoes?
They're in the wardrobe.
Well, get them and put them on.
Why is it raining?
No, but it's cloudy and cold.
Oh, all right.
And put on a heavy coat.
This one's warm enough.
No, it isn't. Put on your winter coat.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
Goodbye, dear. Have a good day.
Thank you. So long.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.